Hello there, my name is Dr. Bernard Yeo. I'm the founder of UCM HP Academy. UCM HP stands for Universal Characteristic Method of Human Profiling. While doing my research on character profiling, I discovered and designed a world's first Pythagoras character profiling copyrighted chart to empower everyone to know, understand, and master their strengths and weaknesses. But most importantly, their universal character number, which is inborn, destiny, and nature. Now, I'm going to teach you how to draw the UCM human profiling chart. You can refer to the animations below. First, draw a H. Secondly, I want you to close up the top and bottom of the H. Next, I want you to draw a V within the top square. Draw two horizontal lines to divide the V shape into 3 rows. Draw a vertical line as shown, touching the middle of the top 3 horizontal lines. Finally, fill up those small circles and squares as shown if you prefer. Now, with the chart drawn, I want you to insert now your date of birth into this chart. But before I do that, this is called your UCM HP methodology wealth creation chart. Okay, let's start. Now look at the chart in front of you, and I want you to refer to the animation. So in this case now, look at the day, month, year, how I insert into it. So for example, this person is born on the 16th of September 1923. 16th of September 1923. Now looking at the chart now, please pay attention. It must be day, month, year. Okay? Then I want you to add up the two numbers of day. So 1, 6 is equal to 7. In case your number is 19, so 1 plus 9 equals to 10. Anything above 10, you have to add one more time until it's one single digit. So in this case, it's 10. So 1 plus 0 equals to 1. If your number happens to be 88, so 88 equals to 16. 1 plus 6 equals to 7. Very good. Next, I want you to look at your month. So in this case, it's September 09 equals to 9. If it's October equals to 1. November equals to 2. And December equals to 3. Next, move on to year. So the first two number is 19. So 19 you add together equals to 1. And next number you add together, 2, 3 equals to 5. Have you done that? So I want you to look at these 4 numbers, 7, 9, 1, 5. You have done this. Now, I want you to add in the day and month together. So 7, 9 adds together equals to 16. 1 plus 6 equals to 7. You have done that. Move on to the right side. 1 plus 5 equals to 6. Very good. 7, 6 equals to 13. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. If you have done so, I want you to put a crisscross or an X. I want you to see the number 6 and 4. So 6 and 4 you add together equals to 10. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. Next, I want you to add up 7, 4 equals to 11. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Now I want you to add up these two numbers. 1, 2 equals to 3. Now at this stage, I want you to put a crisscross or an X again. where you add up 2, 3 first. So it's 5, and then 1, 3 equals to 4. Next, I want you to add up 5 and 4 together. 5 and 4 together, so it's 9. So you have done that, very good. Next, I want you to see that the inverted triangle, right at the bottom, on the left and on the right, there are 2 circles. I want you to write this down from left to right. There are 4 numbers here, and these 4 numbers here are interrelated to the top 4 numbers 7, 9, 1, 5. Okay, I say again. The 4 circles here, the 2 numbers on the left hand side, and the 2 circles on the right hand side. Now these 4 numbers are interrelated to the 4 numbers on top 7, 9, 1, 5. Now I want you to start from left to right. So the first number here is 7, 7 equals to 14. 1 plus 4 equals to 5. And then look at the next number, 9, 7 equals to 16. 1 plus 6 equals to 7. Now I want you to add up the number 5 and 7. It is equals to 12. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Now the third number is 1, 6 equals to 7. And the fourth number is 5, 6 equals to 11. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. I want you now to add up 7, 2. And 7, 2 adds together equals to 9. Very good. Now, I want you to now to see carefully the 3 numbers, 2 on the side of the square, left and right side. So A and B. Can you see that? A and B. Now the next number I want you to see is C. Now look at C. Look at C. Right, so A, B, C. Now I'm going to share with you that this is actually a mathematical science calculations where I'm using Pythagoras. Right? So I want you to look at the triangle coming up. This triangle is a Pythagoras triangle where A plus B must be equal to C. A plus B must be equal to C. So if A is 3, B is 3, C must be definitely 6. If your A is 3, B is 9, then your C must be definitely 12. So it's 3. If your A is 9, B is 9, C is 18. 1 plus 8 equals to 9. So if you have done that, now I want you to look at one numbers that appear right below the chart. And this is called the ultimate numbers. Now look at this number here. If I say 1, 2, 3, every one of you say out the number together. And I want to see what number do you have here. 1, 2, 3, go. Eh? How come every one of you is a 9 here and not any other numbers? Now remember, there are 7.7 billion people on this planet. This number must be a 9 and no other numbers. So why is it so? Because this is science. If all this number here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8, you are not a human being. Why? Because every human being, this number here must be a 9. Why 9 again? Because this is science. Now, I'm going to introduce you the most important number in your life. And this is your universal character number, which is inborn, destiny, and nature. And this number here will follow you wherever you go. It helps to identify your universal communication channel, and it is the captain of the soul who you are. It guides you in your academic and career pathways. It also helps you to decide the right path to your business or investment. Having said so, may I ask you, do you know your universal character number?